I don't care. We need you here now, Dave. Dave? Hello? Hello?
Hey, Venty. What's up?
What's up? Oh, I'll tell you what's up, Bizzy. Stacy is working on the company's annual conference next week. And Dave, the only guy who knows how to make this event platform work, is sick. Completely offline.
Here, Venty. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, why can't Stacy do it? Or anyone else on the team?
Are you out of your mind? Dave's been learning how to use this platform for forever. He's event software certified with a certificate and everything.
It took him that long? Oh no.
It's very complicated. Stacy can't do it by herself.
Event software should make life easier, not harder.
What's she going to do?
All she needs is Bizzy, a quick walkthrough, and she'll be good to go.
I don't have time for these jokes, Bizzy. Stacy is about to squeeze the heck out of me.
Stop venting about your overly complicated software. Start eventing with Bizzy. With just a few clicks, you'll create events that drive experience, connection, and revenue.
So, can we tell Dave to rest at home?
Oh, this yellow is so beautiful.
Stacy, we've got this.